Hello Rutgers, I'm Gabriella Tango. Think big. That's the motto for the student entrepreneurs who belong to the student-founded organization, the Rutgers Entrepreneurial Society. I'm here at the Rutgers Student Center Multi-Purpose Room, where the inauguration event of the society is taking place. Let's check it out. The Rutgers Entrepreneurial Society is an organization based on the mission of bringing together visionary, like-minded student entrepreneurs and provide them with the tools and resources to develop their skills in business and entrepreneurship. Founded by 5 university students, the idea of starting this organization came to Mikhail Naumov, the Society's president and founder, during the 2008 spring semester when he realized the university was in need of an outlet for entrepreneurial education. One of the founders, Benjamin Lapidus, caught up with us and told us a little bit more about the society.
The Rutgers Entrepreneurial Society is meant to bring together like-minded visionary student entrepreneurs and provide them with the tools and resources to develop their skills in business and entrepreneurship.
There's no other opportunity like this at Rutgers University. We were founded last semester, inaugurated this semester, and every student should take this opportunity to get involved because we've been doing some great things and we're looking for more people to join in on this wonderful opportunity.
Students should definitely take advantage of this opportunity because if you look at the news, there's a lot going on in this world and a lot is changing. It's a beautiful transition, but it's a very challenging transition.
Some of the biggest figures that have motivated me have, first of all, been Dr. Pinkett, who's actually there in the background signing books, who we had the pleasure of hearing speak tonight, in addition to the BEST Institute for Business, Engineering, Science, and Technology has been one of our biggest sponsors. They've provided us with plenty of resources to become the success we are today.
By Think Big, we want you to do exactly that. Think big. So when you have an idea, when you're looking for a need to be filled, you need to think big. You just can't think inside the box, inside the comfort zone. You need to think outside the box and outside of your comfort zone.
The inaugural event was one of the first events for the Rutgers Entrepreneurial Society, and the turnout was tremendous. Many students, community members, and faculty came out to support the event. There were many distinguished guests invited to attend, such as the keynote speaker, Rutgers alumnus, Dr. Randall Pinkett, chairman and CEO of BCT Partners and winner of NBC's The Apprentice with Donald Trump. We were fortunate enough to get an interview with Dr. Pinkett and ask him a few questions.
If this organization had been around when I was at Rutgers, I would have been better prepared to launch my own business. Now, the Entrepreneurial Society is geared toward certainly thinking entrepreneurially, which could benefit the business owner or the would-be employee, but it's also giving scaffolding to aspiring young people who want to own their own business. I mean, it's mind-blowing. I mean, I was thoroughly impressed with the turnout this evening and the energy of the students and just the ideas that are generating from just this conversation. So, I mean, I'm just happy to have been a part of it and to see the progress that's been made on campus in supporting students at Rutgers that want to own their own business. I think it's great. I love it. I think the advice would be just get involved. I believe you're going to get out what you put in. So if you want and believe and a desire to be a business owner, then get in the society and get involved.
Well, as you can see, the Rutgers Entrepreneurial Society sure has a lot of tools and resources you can use if you're very interested in business. For more information, go to thinkbig.rutgers.edu.